So imagine this, okay? You're driving your Tesla, thinking you're racking up normal miles, but your odometer is secretly speeding up. Cheating you out of your warranty sounds like a conspiracy, right? Well, a bombshell lawsuit claims Tesla is doing exactly that. And it could affect millions of owners if this is real or just another attack on Elon Musk.
Well, buckle down, fellers, because we're going to dive right into it.
Lost in the water, got me looking for the keys now. I don't know.
Now, here's the deal. A California Tesla owner named Nairi Hinton filed a class action lawsuit in April 2025 claiming Tesla's odometers are inflating mileage to make warranties expire faster. Now, he bought a used 2020 Model Y with 36,772 miles specifically. But within months, apparently it hit 50,000 miles, voiding his warranty. Hinton says his daily 20-mile commute, I guess, was logged as 72 miles, I believe. Now, sometimes, apparently, even while his car was oddly sitting at Tesla repair shops. Now, this lawsuit alleges Tesla's odometers don't measure actual miles driven, according to this lawsuit, right? And instead, they use predictive algorithms, energy consumption, and driver behavior estimates, mileage inflating it by like 15 to 700, 700. I can't talk. 15 to 117%. Now, if true, Tesla, I guess, could be saving millions by dodging warranty repairs and pushing owners to buy extended warranties. But here's the thing, guys. Here's the thing. Odometer fraud, which it's an actual charge. It's called odometer fraud. It's a federal crime. Now, if Tesla was ever found guilty of that, that would be catastrophic. And I'm pretty sure every owner of a Tesla would be entitled to some type of compensation, right? Now, if there's any proof, is there any proof? Or is this just a money grab? Now, this is funny, guys. Google this. There was a long time ago, there was a story about a kid who ate a Hot Pocket right out of the microwave and he burnt his tongue and he sued the Hot Pocket company because the Hot Pocket was too hot and he won. If you guys ever look at a Hot Pocket, look at the warning label, the thing that goes over it when you put it in the microwave. That kid is the reason why that label's on there. Anyways, now let's break down the evidence, okay? Hinton's not alone, I guess. Tesla owners on Reddit and X have complained about this for apparently years. One owner said that his Model Y logged 0.6 miles as 1 mile, which would be a 30% overestimation. Now, another used a GPS tracker and found their Tesla odometer was 20-30% higher than actual miles driven. So, look, guys, I tested this myself. Now, I didn't have a GPS tracker. I didn't have a speckle odometer reading, iCloud thingamajigger. I just looked at my odometer before I left, okay? And then I went to Crystal Palace. It's a skating ring. I went to Crystal Palace skating ring where I popped my knee out of place, by the way. I'll be limping for a few weeks. No main damage. Don't laugh, please.
Don't laugh at me, guys.
But anyways, yeah, I popped my knee out of socket. It popped back in, thankfully. But anyway, yeah. I went to Crystal Palace skating ring, and then I went to the car wash, and then I came back home, and yeah, it was around 19 to 20 miles, something like that, and it logged it completely fine. Now, maybe it was off zero point 0.5 miles, maybe it could have been a little bit, I don't know, but yeah, it's nothing. Yeah, nothing to this degree. But anyways, there is an algorithm angle though. Now, unlike traditional cars that measure wheel rotations, Tesla's system allegedly uses software to estimate miles based on energy use and driving habits. If you're a lead foot driver, I mean, does Tesla's algorithm punish you with extra miles? Also, guys, uh, why didn't Hinton's odometer reportedly stop over-reporting after his warranty expired?
Dun, dun, dun.
But here's where it gets murky, fellers. Some owners say a software update fixed their odometer issues, suggesting it could have been a bug. Not a scam? Others argue Tesla's range estimates already under fire for exaggeration. I mean, it might be tied to this. I mean, making your car seem like it's driving further to match advertised range. Now, Tesla and Elon Musk aren't staying quiet, guys. Elon called the lawsuit idiotic on X, and Tesla's legal team denied all allegations. I mean, so would I. So would I. Musk claims odometers track actual miles, and anyone can test it. Should I rewind that? I think we just need more people that have Teslas to just test it. Right? Like Elon said. Anyways, some Tesla fans like X user, whatever his name is, says the claims are nonsense because repairs aren't a big profit driver for Tesla. Exactly. Right? But let's be real. Apparently, Tesla's been caught before, according to some 2023 investigation by Reuters. I mean, I guess they found that they were exaggerating range estimates, and a diversion team allegedly silenced complaints. Does that sound familiar? Doesn't sound familiar to me. Was that the CIA? Huh. Well, I am a little skeptical on both sides. I won't lie. Because, I mean, the lawsuit evidence is mostly anecdotal, right? I mean, 117% overestimation seems way too blatant to go unnoticed for years. I mean, plus Tesla's warranty also expires after 4 years, so mileage isn't always and the only factor. On the flip side, Tesla's software heavy approach can maybe open doors to manipulation or maybe sloppy coding, but I doubt Tesla has sloppy coding. Right? Now, if this lawsuit proves to be true, it would be a disaster for Tesla, a disaster for Tesla owners. Now, you could be paying for repairs out of pocket, overpaying on lease mileage, or even losing resale value. And if Tesla's inflating range to look better, I mean, that's a double whammy. So for now, look, man, this is what you can do. You can get an Ion Cyclops Iron Man tracker. No, I'm just joking. Sorry. You can track your miles with the GPS app like Mile IQ and compare that to your odometer. You can document any weird mileage spikes, like especially during repairs at Tesla shops, right? And you can check if a software update fixes any kind of odometer issues, because apparently some owners say it does. Now, this lawsuit's seeking damages for over 1 million California Tesla owners, but a judge might force arbitration. like in the past range lawsuit, if you guys remember. So don't hold your breath for a quick win, guys. Okay? But is Tesla pulling a fast one on the odometers, or is this just a misunderstanding blown out of proportion? Now, I'm leaning towards a mix. Maybe a software glitch, maybe something shady, maybe something shady on the reporting aspect. Who knows? But what do you think, guys? Drop a comment below. Now, if you're a Tesla owner with a weird odometer story, if you want to see me test some more stuff, or maybe you got a story to tell, let me know down in the comments. You know, if you guys tried something, if you've seen something, if you're having odometer issues, let me know down in the comments, man. And if you like Tesla, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay? Tesla, the World EV, guys. I'm Outros.